Hi, and welcome to another session of Workflow Wednesdays. Now imagine that you go to a website online. It's a calculator. It has various sliders and inputs. You put them in and you click the submit button. And seconds later, you get a document sent to your inbox with a pre-filled document using all those variables. We're going to show you how you can build that in minutes using journeys today. Let's take a look. Let's start by estimating how many people we hire every year. 50 people, and how much time we can save with automation if we use an automation tool like Journeys. We can also figure out how much our experts cost for doing all the tasks to onboard someone, and then we're going to submit this form online. Now that the form has been submitted, this individual was added as a traveler in our journey. The first step in the journey was to start it automatically, then create a document with all the variables from that form online. All the things that were added in the calculator now got sent to the journeys, and it was actually used to create a document. The document, in this case, is a business case for why people should buy the product Journeys. It takes all the variables from the calculator online and puts it into the document in various places. Okay, the document is ready, but instead of having it in a Word document, we want to convert it into a PDF document. And finally, we want to take that PDF document and we want to send it to the individual that filled it out so that they can use the document internally to showcase why they should get on board with Journeys. Now let's build this out step by step. Step number 1, you need to have a calculator online or any type of form. Now, these can be built with code, or you can use very simple no-code tools like the tool that we used called Grid. You can simply go onto their website and they have pretty clear instructions on how you can build calculators on your own by just using spreadsheets and then embed them into your website. Once a calculator like this has been built out, you need to figure out what's all the information from this calculator that I want to reuse to build a document. And once you've figured that out, you can build out the document and start automating things. So let's take a look at the document on our end and how we made this a reality. In our case, we built out this business case for Journeys by 50 Skills because in many cases when people are buying a product, they want somebody else internally to take a look at the use case and why this could be relevant. In this particular document, this Word doc, instead of putting in the actual hours saved per hire, we put them in these curly bracers here. And by putting them in these curly bracers, we're telling the system that this is a variable and it's going to be different for every person that fills out a calculator. We do this in various places, such as the number of hires per year, how much time they saved, those sorts of things. And for simplicity, we just call them a simple name, such as experts hourly rate would be the kind of experts average hourly rate here. But once you have a document like this ready, and again, this could be a completely different use case for you. It doesn't have to be a business case. This could be an employee contract. This could be all sorts of different types of paperwork, going on a sabbatical leave form, any type of form really. But once you've filled this out, you can upload this document directly into 50 Skills. So let's take a look at how you would do that. So within 50 Skills, there's a section here called Documents. You click it and you're able to add documents that you want. Call the document whatever name you want, a description, and then upload the Word document itself. A few seconds later, you'll see that all the variables from the document have automatically been detected. And if you want to take a look at how the document would look like if someone would fill out all these variables, you can put in what we call the test value for preview. And there you have it. Just click Save, click Preview, and now instead of having all the variables in those curly bracers that we had before, they've been replaced with the actual dummy values that you added when checking out how the contract would look like if someone would fill all of it out. Now let's take a look at this journey as a whole. Step 1, we want to create a document. In this case, we're taking all the curly bracers from the document that we uploaded and we're replacing it with the information that was received when someone filled out a form online or used an online calculator, or if we just manually uploaded these variables. Step number 2, once that's finished, we want the system to automatically go ahead and convert that document into a PDF file. And finally, step number 3, we've decided to have a manual task, which we assigned to our colleague Anna. We want Anna to go over into the system and take a look at the email that's going to get sent out. The email has a subject which says your customized business case for 50 skills journeys. It has a certain text and it actually has the file attached. And from here, we can pick if we want to send the Word document or the PDF document to the individual who's going to receive this in an email. We publish the changes and this journey is ready to go. Now to get the journey started, again, there's two methods. You can simply click the Add Traveler button and manually fill all of these things out, or you can create a form online, a calculator, or anything else you want that could really trigger this journey to start. Just bear in mind that if you use a form online and you'd like it to automatically create a traveler in Journeys, then you would need to use our APIs. So if you're familiar with those, just click the API section and look at our documentation and get started. But if not, you might want to get a developer on your team on board and how to use it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have thoughts or ideas for the next Workflow Wednesday session, please feel free to add it in the comments below. Thank you.